Welcome to 9900 Hudson Boulevard. Available is a condominium with a view looking out over the St. Louis River. This is an 880 square foot, 1-bedroom, 1.5 bath home with a detached garage in a quiet neighborhood. This low-maintenance living condo welcomes with open concept living quarters. The living area and dining room are well lit with natural light. One bonus to this unit is the 4-season porch, free of bugs and ready for a fireplace if you wish. You'll also have your own private balcony to take in the views. The U-shaped kitchen comes fully equipped with appliances and ample counter and cupboard space. It flows into the dining room, making serving for formal and informal meals easy. The entryway leads into the half bath, utility closet, and coat closet. You can recharge in the large bedroom with plenty of closet space that includes a full ensuite and laundry. Perfect for those looking for easy living. Also included is a common area, community room, full kitchen, library, workout room, and sauna. There is a free guest room available for your overnight company. You'll also be located near biking, hiking, and ski trails. Enjoy the garage parking with extra storage. No plowing, shoveling, or yard maintenance. Keep it simple and live life.